First obstacle in Connecticut was the Serpentine. Once again, the sequence of the obstacles will depend on the size and the shape of the area where you're holding the rodeo. The Serpentine obstacle tests the contestant's ability to maneuver turns. When setting up the obstacle, place the traffic cones in their locations and then spray paint a circle around the outside of each traffic cone so that they can be placed in the same spot if a contestant hits and moves the cone. As shown in this diagram, there's a lane or gate coming toward the pivot cone and a lane or gate leaving from the pivot cone. The contestant has to maneuver to the right of the pivot cone and then out of the exit lane. You will need 2 judges for this obstacle, 1 on each side. The judges note whether the contestant hits any of the cones. The contestant may also have to stop and shift into reverse. The judge must remember to check to see if any of the cones are hit while the vehicle is traveling in reverse. The number of times the contestant shifts into reverse must be recorded as well. The contestant can achieve 50 possible points with this obstacle. If the contestant touches the pivot cone, 25 points are deducted. 10 points are deducted each time the contestant hits other cones, and 10 points are deducted for each time the contestant shifts into reverse. If the contestant does not complete the obstacle as designed, 50 points are deducted from the contestant's score. Make sure you put the contestant's name and vehicle number on the scorecard. As with all obstacles, final scores cannot be less than 0.